Today we are in the process of opening the grow bags that are fully colonized. We had a little issue because we let them colonize too much, so they pinned in the bag. It shouldn't be any problem, and it shouldn't be any problems with the yield with this, but we still usually take them when they just pinned in the bag like this. So it's like a small pin instead of the mushroom starting to grow inside the bag. So, but since the holidays was here, we just didn't have time to open everything. So we're doing this now, and then we are hopefully getting the same yield as we are used to. But I will update you if the yield is like getting smaller when the bags are already filled with mushrooms and you've opened them too late. So yeah, I will keep you updated on that. But basically, what we are doing is we are taking the fully colonized bags, putting them on this cart, and when the cart is filled, we are gonna take all of these bags and take them out to the container. Yeah, so what I'm doing now is I'm just placing these bags so they are ready to be cut open. And then I take a sterilized knife and I just basically cut like 10 centimeters, 15 centimeters holes in them. Usually they are much easier to work with, but since there's a lot of mushrooms in them, I have to just make sure that all air is out of the bag. And then just closing them like this. So I'm closing them on the filter so that the mushroom doesn't just grow out of the filter, because we learned that if you just open it on the other side and the filter is out, then they can easily just grow out of the filters, and that's not really good. And the way we do this is that we have like a level in the back that is one layer, and then we're putting a layer on top of it, and then we have a layer out in the front. So this is the way that we figured that we can maximize the amount of grow bags in this room, so we have the maximum amount of yield getting out of all the bags. That's how we are opening the bags. In the future video, I will also show you the amount of different mediums that we are mixing into the bag, how we are doing the mixing, and how we're doing the sterilization of these bags, because as you can see here, all these bags are sterilized really nicely. We don't have any contamination in them, and that's the process that we figured that it's really, really difficult to make sure that all the bags are equally sterile, but we found a way, and I will show you that in a future video. So subscribe to our channel and give this video a like for even more nice content like this.